Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Tecktoniq YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about basics of content creation. Now I will explore about basics of content creation and its process and tools used, then tips with example scenario. Table of contents. In this table of contents, I will explore about content creation, understanding content creation, step in the content creation process, essential tools for beginners, tips for effective YouTube content creation, example scenario, and conclusion. About content creation, we are passionate about transforming ideas into impactful digital experiences. Our goal is to educate, inspire, and empower creators to share their voice with the world. Through engaging videos, visuals, and storytelling, we explore the world of content creation for concept to execution. We focus on helping individuals and brands build a strong online presence, connect with their audiences, and grow in the digital space. Understanding content creation. Content creation means producing and sharing information or entertainment through digital formats like videos, blogs, graphics, or podcasts to connect with a specific audience. It is the foundation of digital communication, helping individuals and brands build awareness, trust, and community online. Steps in the content creation process. Find your niche. Choose a topic you are passionate about and knowledgeable in, such as tech, travel, food, fitness, or education. Research your audiences. Understand who you are making content for, their age, interest, and problems. Plan your content. Prepare a content calendar or list of topics to maintain consistency. Include video titles, publishing dates, and main ideas. High quality content. Use a decent cameras or smartphone. Edit professionally. Editing makes your video engaging and professionally use tools like CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, add background music, subtitles and translations that match your video style. Publish and optimize. Upload your video with a catchy title, detailed description and relevant tags. Use an eye-catching thumbnail. Promote and analyze. Share your videos across platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. Monitor YouTube analysis, watch time, retention, and engagement to see what works best. Tools used. Categories and useful tools. For video editing, CapCut VN Editor. For thumbnails and design, Canva, Photo, Adobe Express. For scripting and planning, Notion, Google Docs, ChatGPT. For music and sound, Epidemic Sound, YouTube Audio Library. For analytics and search engine operation, TubeBuddy, Vidic, YouTube Studio. Tips for effective YouTube content creation. Stay consistent. Post regularly to build audience trust. Add value. Solve problems or teach something useful. Be original. Use your own voice and creativity. Engage with your viewers, like reply to comments, communicate with viewers, and ask questions and clarifications. Keep going on learning, like track trending videos, trending news, new tools, and YouTube updates. Example scenario. Imagine you are creating a YouTube channel called Smart Skills with Sham. You upload tutorials on digital marketing and content creation. Use clean visuals, short introductions, and engaging explanations. With this process, you can build a loyal audience who trust your advice, and this will help you to grow professionally and personally. Conclusion. Content creation is not just about making videos, it's about sharing ideas, inspiring others, and building a digital identity. For start small, stay consistent, and keep improving. Your creativity will turn into influence with time. Thank you.